actually is a translation for the euphemism that the rebels would use, which was dacha, which meant to kill, to murder, or to exterminate. So put away for Zokuma, this is my uncle, 1925 to 1966. The dreaded rapping on the door after dark, just a little talk with him outside we want. The wanted gets up, steps out the house, be back soon, you all go to sleep, but he never does. Sometimes, if they're lucky, they find the body a short distance down the road. More often, deep in the jungle, they find it in a shallow grave, sometimes marked, sometimes not. My mother's brother's body was never found. He disappeared without trace, wiped off the face of the earth, not a limb, not a nail, not a hair left to claim. Almost half a century on, still no one to come forward and say, here, those are pearls that were his eyes. This is a reference to unverified reports that my uncle was killed by rebels near the river Tong. And the rebels were in turn later killed by some soldiers from the Indian army. Nothing for the left behind. Parents, brothers, sisters, wife, his brood of 9 young children. Nothing, nothing. Just the incomprehensible, unceasing uncertainty of questions never answered. Thank you.